So today we're doing this gorgeous eyeshadow look. The whole other face, the blush application, is gonna be on a short video, so I will link it below when I do post it. So if it's not on, that means I've not posted it just yet. So this is a sunset summertime eyeshadow. Pretty much was inspired with the blush because there's a sunset blush going on right now, viral on TikTok. So I thought, why not recreate it and also do like an eyeshadow look. I did say this time I'm going to be playing around with some color, so I am playing around with some color. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup is Different. So if you want to see how this video goes, please carry on watching. So there's this theme going on around called the sunset blush look. So I already did this blush using the P. Louise base, and this one is one of the bases that just, it's absolutely amazing. It just makes all your eyeshadows look super vibrant. And I don't know, as soon as we hit spring, guys, I've just been feeling like I have to do a little bit more color in my palette, like in my looks these days. And so we're gonna play with some oranges and some peaches and maybe a bit of pinks. We're using the Birds of Paradise palette because I just love the colors anyway. I think Makeup Revolution is sick of me. We're gonna go in with this orange, and this one is called Token Play. And guys, this is not even sponsored, I just love Makeup Revolution products. Going with that in our, because I kind of want it to balance with the blush. So this blush tutorial, like I said, I will post it on my short videos. Just this one, and then we're just gonna put it in a bit in our crease a little bit, just like so. And I'm just going around where, so it's gonna be simple, it's not gonna be super popping, but I want it to kind of have a little bit of an oomph. So I'm using Cardinal just on the corners of my eye, the same on here, and that color is so stunning. And I'm gonna just kind of cut the crease, not like intensely, but just a bit. Okay, so we've cut our crease and we've added a little bit of orange on the sides here because I want it to like blend with the orange here that is on the cheek, so it can really give that orange sunset look. And then I'm gonna get that vacay color, and then I'm just gonna add, just gonna blend it on the corners of my, so if you can see that. And then I'm also gonna go back in with that orange like so, and I'm adding it on the pink. So I maybe it's not so beginner friendly, but it's, I think it is, you know, it is if you follow it. You know, the thing about makeup is basically is just you trying to, you see, you learn watching, and then you go back and you practice. This is what we got so far, something cute, something simple, but yet you're playing with a bit of color and stuff. I know it's not gonna be simple for everybody, but I just thought, why not add this on? So I was thinking, should I put a liner or not, or should I just go straight in with mascara? I thought, let me just go in with the mascara and lashes, because I don't want a liner kind of drawing away from the look. I know it will look so much better with the liner, but I kind of want the eyes and the blush to be the focus. These are actually from TikTok shop. Got the lashes on and I actually like them. We're gonna put some of that primer underneath our eyes because I want that shadow to also pop at the bottom. Getting a little small fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna make sure I blend it because I don't want it to be harsh. With that pink first, and then at the bottom like this. Going in with that orange now. So I know I've been obsessed with a little bit of like white in the inner corner, but I just feel like it's perfect for this look. But instead of white, I'm gonna kind of put like a peach kind of color. So I am putting on some mascara, and I'm using the UJV one because I just love the way it really toggles my little tiny lashes. Sticking to the sunset theme, I'm going in with my fat oil from NYX and my Makeup Revolution. I will leave every links below of these products, guys, so you know exactly what I used. I love this lip glossy lip oil. It's just so great. Then I went in with a darker brown just to define the lip combo. So this is the final look. We came up with the sunset eyeshadow and pairing along lip gloss and the blusher. Everything just looks so good, and I hope you guys like this look and you actually get to try a little bit, you know, play with some color this spring and summer. Why not? So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and share the video and like and comment below. Bye guys. Mwah.